Hey, morning guys, how you going? We're just starting a brand new project this morning over here at Tarragindi. We've got this little cottage over here behind me. We're doing a lift and building underneath. Got all the boys on site, they've just pulled up. So we're going to get this one set up and get cracking. So I'll give you a bit of a walkthrough before we get into it. It's a character code cottage, so again it's a bit different to the jobs we normally do. We just can't get stuck in and rip things apart. We're very limited to the work we can do on the outside of the house. The boys are pulling the fence off at the moment. We're going to store that down the backyard because we're not doing any work to the front fence, and then we're going to get all our temporary fencing set up. We've been on site for half an hour the very first day. Just done a run through with the boys of what's staying, what's going. The boys are getting our whiteboard ready to get it updated and do a list of tasks on there. We'll make notes of all the items that the client wants to salvage, so they can put on Gumtree or eBay or whatever and sell. But basically downstairs is a full strip out, so every single thing downstairs is gone. We'll spend the next 3 to 4 days getting it all stripped out, and we've got a machine coming in next Wednesday to come through and demolish all the concrete, all the existing concrete slab, footings, and get ready for the house raise to come in. So it's going to be a great little job. We love working on these old homes, especially these character ones, because like I keep saying, it really teaches the young guys carpentry skills. We've got to blend everything in. So come up here, there's a few constraints on this one. There's some existing retaining walls on the sides of the property that have got to be retained, so we've got to work all our new heights in to them. There's a shed down the backyard that we've got to reconnect all the power, so all this paved area is all going to suit our new heights, and then we've got to reconnect all the services to that shed. I'll just take you upstairs quickly. So downstairs is pretty straightforward. It's complete strip out and basically start from scratch. Brand new slab, brand new entry at the front, all new patio, and the extension out the back. And then when you come upstairs here, so the rear stairs are going, and this little deck up the back of the house, we're cutting part of the roof off and the deck off, and this is going to become a little private balcony for the new master bedroom. So if you come inside here, so up in the back of the house here, you'll see it's a big open area. So these doors are getting closed off, so they're getting pulled out. There's some new windows going in there, and that's where we'll cut the new stairwell in. And then over in this corner where the existing kitchen is, this is all getting completely stripped out. Right around here, the existing stairs are all getting pulled out. I'll just stand back here so you can see. So where the existing stairs are, in that area through there, that's all going to become new powder room and main bathroom. And then over in the corner there, that'll become all new master bedroom. And the master bedroom will have its own private access through a doorway that we're going to put in there to the little private deck out there. So only a little bit of work upstairs. We're only doing work to the back of the house here. The original cottage out the front here. So it's absolutely beautiful. It's in great condition, like this place. So at the front of the house here, we're not doing any work to the front 2 bedrooms. So these are really, really old. So all we're going to do is give it a quick tidy up, make the windows work, new floor coverings and paint in these 2 rooms. So you can see in here, like super, super old, all the original wall linings, original windows, like as pretty typical with all these old houses. Like the house has had a lot of renovation work and dodgy work done over the years, so we're going to go through and fix all that up. But front of the house, again, because of the character code, we're really limited to what we can do here, so we can't touch any of the front of the house. So all it's doing is getting a paint job. These front veranda doors are going to get screwed shut and the front stairs are getting demolished, and that's it out here. So that's about it, guys. It's going to be another cracking little job, but yeah, very little work upstairs here. The majority of the work is all downstairs, and once the guys get all that stripped out, I'll run you through, again, as per some of our previous videos, I'll run you through the whole process of how we get it ready to lift lift up, while the house raiser here. I'll talk you through all the steel install, new posts, and everything we have to do to get it sitting back at its new height, and then right through the process, how we do the slab. And yeah, so just keep an eye on this one. It's going to be another cracking little job, and we'll keep you updated. Cheers, guys.